Hello, good afternoon. Please allow me to introduce myself first. My name is Nishakan Jaima. You can call me Ning. I am a student at the University of Payao. Today, I am going to talk about my free time activity and my family, especially my grandmother, who was a very important person in my life. In my free time, I like watching movies, listening to music, and playing games. I usually watching movies in the evening because I feel relaxed after a long day. My favorite movies are romantic and funny movies because they make me feel happy and comfortable. I also enjoy listening to music, especially slow songs. I usually listen to music when I feel stressed or before I go to sleep. Music helps me feel calm and less lonely. Sometimes I play games on my phone. I often play with my friends or my family. Playing games is fun and it helps me forget about my problem for a while.